Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create ID card using your mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Canva application. So make sure you have downloaded and installed this application on your mobile phone. And after that, you're going to open the application and go to the search bar, and you're going to type in ID card as the keyword, and there will be a lot of templates for us, and we just need to choose one of the template here. I'm just going to choose free template. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose this one, and we can customize the template according to our style. But wait, it's still loading. Okay, now the template has been added to my design, and then I'm going to replace this photo with my own photo. I'm gonna click on it, and then I'm going to replace. Okay, and I'm going to upload photo from my gallery. Wait guys, I'm going to choose photo from my pins folder or pins album. Okay, wait, and then I'm going to choose, wait, let me choose one of my photo. Okay, I'm just going to choose this one, and then I'm going to go back. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can double click on the photo, and you can adjust the position like this, and I'm going to click on done. Okay, wait guys, I think I need to adjust it again like this. It's going to zoom in. Okay, and I'm going to rename it. Okay, you can change the style as well if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. I don't want to change the style. I'm okay with this style. I'm just going to rename it. Okay, and I'm going to change this one as well. This is for the position, and you can add your own logo to this menu. Okay, and you can change the color if you want. Just click on the background color, and you can go to the color, and you can change it like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create ID card using our mobile phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.